Hello bird lovers, welcome back to my channel Lilly the Cockatiel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to kill mites in your bird. So there is two ways to kill mites. At first I'm gonna show you that how to kill your bird's mite with homemade anti-mite solution. So let's see how I make it at home. At first we need some maracuja leaves and wash it with clean water. Then we need Dettol antiseptic liquid. And finally, we need alum, which I'm gonna crush. So here, I'm boiling the maracuja leaves. Now these are boiled perfectly, let it be cooled. I have to strain the leaves. Now I'm adding alum and mixing it well. Now the element is perfectly mixed with water. Finally, add the Dettol into the solution. At this quantity. And mix it well. And yeah, your anti-mite solution is ready. And now take some cotton and gently apply on your bird's feather. Don't apply into their eye. And the second solution is consult with pet doctor and use that mite spray which the doctor prescribes. And thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And take care and bye bye.